Let's remove this sticky residue from contact paper. You'll need some rubbing alcohol. I'm using 70%. I found this bottle at Rite Aid, but you could find this at literally any store. Walgreens, Walmart, Walnut. Never mind, you get the hint. You can find it anywhere. I'm placing this alcohol directly over the surface that has the sticky adhesive, spreading it out to make sure it covers everything. Then going in with the washcloth, you'll scrub till it comes off. Now this doesn't come off as easy as butter. You do have to put some elbow grease into it. Rubbing alcohol does tend to dry up quickly, so you may have to repeat this process multiple times to get the job done. Oh, and elbow grease just means you have to put your foot into it, okay? Unfortunately, I made the dumb mistake to try to cover these generic looking cabinets in my apartment, and here we go, a mess. Now this video is sponsored by my fear of me losing my security deposit, so I hope y'all soak it all in. If you have any questions or comments, you know where to put them. I'm Abigail Marshall, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe.